my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. It's important to have cookies and milk around on Christmas Eve. It's a delicious way to show gratitude to Santa Claus. Besides gingerbread, biscotti, and thumbprint cookies, here's another tasty treat that should be on your to-do list. Orange Ricotta Cookies. They're simply irresistible. Light and fluffy, they set the tone perfectly for the holidays. Make sure to bake a couple batches because they disappear fast. So let's get cooking. In a mixing bowl, we'll combine all the dry ingredients, which are flour, baking powder, as well as baking soda and ground sea salt. We'll whisk the ingredients for a couple minutes or until nicely blended and set aside for now. Next, in a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add granulated sugar and room temperature unsalted butter. With the paddle attachment on, we'll process on medium speed until the mixture is creamy, about 2 minutes. Adding 1 egg at a time, we'll mix very well before adding the next one. To this, we'll add ricotta cheese, some pure vanilla extract, and orange zest. Then we'll mix for 1 minute. Let's not forget to clean the sides and the bottom of the bowl, okay? We'll now add the dry ingredients and on low speed, we'll process until just combined. Let's not overmix, all right? We'll chill our dough for 30 minutes. I'm not covering it because it doesn't stay that long, but if you decide to leave it longer, then I suggest you place some plastic wrap on top. So, half an hour later, we'll form the dough using a tablespoon-sized portion scoop. I'm using Circle-On non-stick cookie sheets, and they don't require any parchment paper. But if you're using something else, line the sheets with parchment or silicone mats. When they're all formed, we'll transfer them to a 350-degree preheated oven, positioning the rack on the top third of the oven, which I explain more on the blog, and bake for 15 minutes or until golden brown. Halfway through cooking, we'll rotate the sheets and bake for the remaining 7.5 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove from the heat and let the cookies rest on the baking sheet for 10 minutes before transferring them onto a wire rack lined with parchment paper. We'll allow them to cool completely before icing. Next, in a medium bowl, we'll add our sifted confectioner's sugar and orange juice. We'll stir until the mixture is nicely combined and the texture is smooth before adding orange zest. Of course, we'll stir until nicely blended. Now that our cookies are at room temperature, we'll dip the tops in the glaze. Hold them up for a few seconds to let the excess drip off and return them back to the wire rack to dry completely, which should take about 3 hours. And my friends, these are our Orange Ricotta Cookies. Incredibly light and tasty, these festive cookies are perfect for the holidays. With a delicious citrus glaze, these little guys are a nice change from the other traditional cookies. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!